Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to continue our scrolling racer game. So let's continue. So we'll go to variables, we'll make a variable, we'll call this one scroll x full sprite, and we'll call this one scroll y full sprite. And then here we'll put in a change scroll x by operators, time sign. We'll put in x position. So change scroll x by x position times -1. We'll duplicate this. We'll put it here. We'll put in scroll y. We'll put this out. We'll put in y position. Wait. It's a little laggy. Put in y position. And then lastly, we will go to x, 0, y, 0. Let's go to track. We'll put in a when green flag clicked. We'll put forever. We will go to x, scroll x, y, scroll y, and then don't forget to make another costume. Here, paint it. We'll go to code. We will put in a switch costume to costume 2. We'll set size to, let's say, 400. Then we'll switch costume to costume 1 again. So as you can see, it's green, and let me go moving here. Move until we get to the grey color, and here you go. And here. So yeah, we have it. We have our racing car scrolling. It's a bit laggy for my computer. So now, actually, we'll go back to the black color. He will go back. He will go back here. We don't want to stop it first. We'll stop it later. Okay, and then put it here. So right here, go to car. We'll put in when green flag clicked. This is for the checkpoints and for the lap. So we'll make a variable called lap, and we'll set lap to 1. And then we'll put in a forever. We'll wait until we'll put in actually we will put in here. We will set scroll x to 779. We'll set scroll y to -2. So we'll move again. Then this is for the checkpoint. I will just straight go up here. So like right here, like here. So we'll put in, so if we go here, there. So we'll put in a less than sign. Wait until scroll y is less than -743. Then we'll move again. And then we will wait until The X position is right here. So right here. And then we'll put in another wait until block. So if we go right, it decreases. So yeah, if scroll X is less than -156, and then we'll just, that's enough I think, because if you go through it'll be so slow. So let's go to our black color. We can stop it now. So now we'll put in a wait until touching color black. We will change lap by 1, and then we'll hide the scroll X scroll Y. So thank you for watching. Please leave a like, comment, share and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.